We keep the drinking water containers covered. This prevents dust and other rubbish from entering the water. If we dip our hands in the water to take it out, the dirt on our hands can enter the water. So we must use a dipper. Your dipper means small steel pot with a long handle to take the water, and we replace the lid at once. But the best method of taking water is to have a tap on the container. Here the container means a pot or a tank in which you are filling the water. This way it becomes easier to take the water, and it also prevents contamination. When the water in the container is finished means it is over, there is no more water in the container. We should wash the container well before refilling it. Refilling means after when it is over, again you are going to fill water in the container. That is called refilling it. We must take such care we get clean water all the time. Do you know? Water does not become stale. Your stale is a new word for you, which means no longer fresh, and it is not fit for drinking. It is adjective. Some people believe that previous days means the day before. Drinking water must be thrown away, and fresh water must be stored every day because the previous day's water becomes stale. But this is misconception. A misconception means misunderstanding, which is not true. Throwing away that water amount to wasting good water. We should use drinking water for other purpose only if it gets dirty due to some reason, which means that the water which is filled in the pot for drinking purpose, if you want to throw it anyway, you can reuse that water for gardening or for washing the vehicles and so on. But you must not waste water, as water is a natural resource. Now it's a time for activity. Let us try this. Do this under adult supervision. First point, take a plastic bottle, cut off its upper narrow portion. Make small 4 holes on the 4 sides of the bottle near its base. Second point, cut a spent ball pen refill into 4 pieces. Fix one piece into each of the 4 holes tightly. Fill the bottle with water. What do you see? Water flows from all the 4 tubes. What does this tell us? Using pipes, we can distribute water stored in one place to several places. Several means many places. Many different places at the same time. This is how the water is distributed in our house. We are having one single tank at the top of our house, that is on our terrace. But that single tank distribute water to kitchen, to bathroom, to garden place, etc. So, the water stored in the single container or tank can be distributed in different parts of our house. Thank you.